The Star Modelo P is a Spanish .45 ACP pistol derived from the 1911. Despite sharing the 1911's caliber, this was developed after the Modelos A and B in 9mm Largo and 9mm Luger, respectively. Like the previous models, the Modelo P is distinguishable from a traditional 1911 in that it lacks the plunger assembly above the left grip panel, with the plungers instead installed directly into the slide stop and the hammer pin. Like all Stars after the Modelo 1921, it also lacks a grip safety. This pistol is one of 5,000 built for the Argentinian police, in this case, specifically the Buenos Aires Police Department. These pistols saw an extended service life from the 40s all the way through the 70s. They were arsenal refinished prior to importation. The Argentinians would proceed to blend some of the design elements of the Modelo P with the Sistema Colt 1927 models into the Ballester Riguad / Ballester Molina. Star would eventually offer other derivatives of the Model P, including the MP with detachable shoulder stock, the PS with added magazine disconnect, and the PD, a compact alloyed frame model designed explicitly for police. If you're into collecting Spanish pistols or just oddball 1911 variants, the Modelo P is an excellent choice.